Lesson 2, Tectonics and Maltese Geology. Global topography is shaped by plate tectonics. At constructive margins, plates move apart, and magma rises to create new oceanic crust along mid-ocean ridges. Conversely, at destructive convergent margins, such as continent-continent collisions, massive fold mountains like the Alps and Himalayas are formed. Looking closer to home, the geology of the Maltese Islands tells a different structural story. Malta's rock sequence is dominated by tertiary marine sediments, specifically a stacked sequence of limestones and clays. Structurally, the islands have a pronounced northeast tectonic tilt. This means that higher cliffs and plateau edges are generally found toward the west and southwest, while the northeastern coasts are much lower. Malta's topography is also heavily influenced by faulting, creating a landscape of horsts and grabens. Horsts are the uplifted fault blocks that form ridges, while grabens are the down-faulted blocks that create the valleys, locally known as weedine. Within this sedimentary stack, the blue clay layer is particularly important for local geomorphology. Blue clay is relatively impermeable. Where it sits underneath permeable limestones, it can support perched aquifers. However, on steep slopes, this same impermeable layer facilitates rotational slips and massive clay slope failures. Understanding how this specific limestone and clay sequence interacts with local faulting is essential for explaining Malta's unique physical landscape.